Last November, the Park Primary School accepted a grant from the University of the West of England to improve a derelict area in the Kingswood Park. What started as a plan for a bug hotel grew into a plan for a nature corridor, connecting the biodiversity in the cemetery with that in the school grounds. We started by auditing the homes and habitats that were already in the area for nature and by carrying out a bug hunt. With this information to help us, we started to make a plan, drawing our maps of what was needed.
We're going to make a little house. And a little house for the bugs around here. So they can have a better home than before. Put the bird paths right in the left top corner, and then we're gonna put dead logs where it is.
Finally, the work started. Row upon row of children aged 4 to 11 could be seen travelling across from the Park Primary School to Kingswood Park with spades, trowels, loppers, secateurs, buckets, gloves and water. Firstly, we cut back the brambles with loppers and secateurs, then began digging up the roots up. We created pathways with logs and laid bark down, which we had to collect from the other side of the park. Once the layout was created, the planting began. In the shade, we planted foxgloves, self-heal, and ferns for frogs and toads to hide in, and insects to collect nectar from. Hedgerow was planted to provide shelter and food for birds and mammals. Sun-loving wildflowers such as yarrow went along the pathway. In the bog left marshmallow and our favourite corky fruited water dropwort. The bog. Yes, we dug out a bog using the turf and soil for a rockery. We had put in stepping logs so that the plants can be reached and it can be crossed without getting too muddy. Finally, the rockery was planted up and decorated with insects illustrated pebbles. We have received lots of interest for our work, including being recorded for BBC Radio Bristol for James Henson show. You will find out more from Kingswood Voice 2. We are looking forward to carrying on the work over the coming years and keeping a record of the insects, amphibians, spiders and mammals that we find in the future. We hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. To find out more and get involved in the park yourself, please visit the Friends of Kingswood Park Facebook page and to join us next year at the Park Primary School, visit our website.